Hi! So, Tommy, don't touch or eat this chocolate, okay?
Yes.
Mommy will just go out. When I come back, this is your favorite, right? I'll give this to you. How many do you want for this?
This one.
How many? 5?
4.
4. I'll give you 4.
I want this.
If you don't, yes, you want this. Oh, but if you don't touch or eat this chocolate, I'll give you 4 of this, okay? Mommy just go and wait muna si Mommy, okay? I'll come back, When I come back and I check that you did not touch or eat this, I'll give you 4 of this, okay?
Okay.
Don't touch this one also, okay? Just stay there. Oh, don't touch or eat this one. Don't touch, okay? Ready na? Now you stay there. Don't eat that. Okay? Wait for Mommy to come back, okay? Wait for Mommy. You count like 1 to 100.
1, 2, 3.
100.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54.
Tommy! Oh my goodness! Why are you eating that? What did I tell you? Oh, yeah. Don't eat the chocolate. Right? Oh, what are you doing? This one, why are you eating it now? Huh? Why are you eating? I said don't eat that, so I'll give you this one, your favorite. What have you done?
This is chocolate.
It is chocolate. It's good. But Mommy told you not to eat it. Mommy told you not to eat it, right? What do you think? Why did you eat that? What were you thinking? Tell me. Is it good? Can I have it?
This one.
No more. Agreement. You should not eat this.